What's up, everybody? Welcome to yet another new day here in Richmond, Virginia. And today is the day of my job interview, so just be ready because I won't be able to do a whole lot before then. Well, guys, as you'll recall from my intro, I have a job interview in about 26 minutes. Yeah. And also, I have to be ready for, I have to kind of dress much warmer than I have in a while. Yeah. We're expecting a frozen mix this afternoon. And that'll be fun. Which unfortunately may end up proving problematic for my sister, because the cars that the drivers are using aren't exactly cut for bad weather when it comes to winter. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna have to let you guys go for right now. I'll see you after the interview. Well, guys, I am back from the interview. Came back a little while ago. Actually went fairly well, and I'm up for a second interview. They're definitely interested. Honestly, I am looking forward to having a job again. I actually like that manager, to be honest. Nice lady. And she was honest with me about how tough it'd be working in there. To me, people like that, pretty simple. They want to steal something, you do something about it. You make it hard on them to steal anything by keeping an eye and approaching them whenever it looks like they took something. Even threaten to call the cops. And believe me, guys, all I have to do is look up the number and write it down to every police department in Richmond, and it will not go well for this robber. I just need to figure out which police station is closest to that dollar store. And yes, as you can tell, I am in the tent again, because I was able to get in afterwards. But I will not be able to stay out here, because it is supposed to get very, very cold. It's already cold as hell. It's already freezing out here. Heck, my hands are getting cold. My camera might be off kilter again, too. Yep, it is. Really hate this monopod at times. Never holds its plate. Never holds like it should. Let's hope it does this. Let's hope this does the trick, because, yeah, I just straightened it back out. But anyways, the whole point of it, guys, I may have gotten the job. It's not a guarantee yet, but the second interview is a guarantee. All I have to do is wait to hear about it. And yeah, my stepmom has the phone number in her phone. This won't be an issue any longer. Everyone's outside of the room at the moment. Let me see here. That might be a bit difficult to see, but yeah. Fixing myself one of those pasta sides, but I added a little cheese into the mix.
Your carpets are filled with memories. And sometimes other things too.
Possibly,
At the Home Depot, replacing your carpet is easy. Because you don't even
possibly add a little pepper to it. There's not a lot of hot sauce left. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm in the tent again. Don't know what you're able to make out of it, but it's dark in here. Got some foul weather coming up, and I'm eating an apple, for those of you who don't know. Felt like hanging out in the tent again, oddly enough. Surprised there are birds out at all. The frozen mix is here. Finally getting our first snowstorm, and a big one.
It's not what falls. It falls the same. Yeah, so it's going this way instead of that way.
Finally got our snowstorm. Yeah, it's lightened up a lot. But you can see it over there. Well guys, look at this. As long as there's snow around, don't need a flashlight, and yeah. Some of the trees have that super cool effect on them right now. The snow on the tree branches is so cool. Anyways, given that it is after 8 o'clock, I'm going to have to let you guys go. I don't know when my next interview will be. So, therefore, if you guys enjoyed my videos, please, just go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you can. And yes, I'm a little different mood this time. I have to be a little more quiet. Because, can't step out in that right now. The shoes I have on right now are the only pair I got at the moment. My boots are missing. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed your day. Now see you next video.